Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Roman Hussein. I am currently studying in the sixth semester of the Bachelor of Tourism and Hospitality Management program at Daffodil International University. I am completed my SHC from MEH Arif School and College and HSC from Milestone College, Uttara. I am passionate about the tourism and hospitality industry, and I am eager to build a career in this field. Through my studies, I have gained a strong understanding of key areas tourism and hospitality management, customer service, tourism operations, and event management. I am very interested in customer service and enjoy working with people from diverse backgrounds. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume.